Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the ancient coin of Norway. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Hosa TV3. Okay guys, this is the ancient coin of Norway. On the upper side, you will see here the 1 crown, and this is the crown. And at the middle there is a hole. And on the lower side, you will see here the alt for nerds. And now I will show you the other side or reverse of this coin. So this is the reverse of this coin. There is a cross shape, and there is a crown also. And on the lower side, you will see here the year 1925. Now focus the coin. So this is the year 1925. So this coin is around 101 years. Okay. So now let's continue. The 1925 Norway 1 crown KM number 385 and then Ori KM number 383 are notable copper-nickel coins featuring King Haakon VII, with the 1 crown being the first year of its type. The 1 crown coin is recognized by its central hole and hold cross monogram design. The 1925 1 crown is considered a first-year slightly more desirable type. Now let's talk about the coin details. 1 crown 1925 copper nickel 7 grams 25mm hold features 4 crown 87 monograms, often referred as a hold $1 coin style in listings. Now let's talk about the value. The 1925 1 crown coins is circulated condition are often sold for roughly €47, approximately 3 or $45 US, while higher grade EFs and circulated example sell for considerably much more higher. The circulated example of 1925 1 crown generally sell in the market around 5 to 45 US dollar range, depending on condition, with higher grades circulated using more or higher value. Now let's talk about the significance. The 1925 was the first year of production for this specific KM number 3851 crown design under King Haakon VII. These coins are popular among collectors of early 20th century Scandinavian currency, particularly those focused on King Haakon VII, issued 1905 to 1957. Okay guys, this is the ancient coin of Norway. So this is around 101 years now. So before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Hosa TV3. Thank you.